Okay, let's go. If you're ready to upgrade your car, check this out. Let's open this. A ver qué tal. Okay, we're unwrapping a full set car cover seats. Check this out. Already giving me that luxurious vibe. So check this out. Okay. Waterproof, universal for cars, SUVs, and trucks. Check this out. I really like how it feels. Look at this. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it. But check it out. The straps. Look at this. Check this out. It comes with everything to put it on yourself. Can't wait to see how it looks. So let's put it on. A ver qué tal.
From unpacking to upgrade. Now that's a total transformation. These full set waterproof leatherette seat covers fit most cars, SUVs, sedans, and trucks with Ace. Durable, stylish, and built for everyday life. Protect your seats, elevate your ride, drive in comfort, drive in style. Grab yours today.